right, Amy, so this is part of my house. Ah, there's the piggy. Say hi to Amy. Sammy, say hi to Amy. Say hi, Sam. Oh, you're not in the mood, right? Okay. So, here's my bird room. Here's Rocker. Okay, and I know you like the doves. So here's my little family. Wait a minute. There's one. There's two. And there is 3 and 4. And then we move on to my son Conyers, Tequila, and Golda. Yes, my babies. Okay. And then we have a ringneck. That's Phoenix. Baby, stop. And here are 2 more doves. That's Billy and Mocha Bay. Hey guys, say hi. Okay, and then we have more ringnecks. That's Bam Bam and his girlfriend Smoochie in the back there. Bam Bam. Hi. Oh. Bam Bam. And then we have Rio. Hi, Rio. Say hi. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Say apple. Apple. And that's RJ. That's RJ and Rio. Yeah, hi. All right. And then we got a bunch of ringnecks in here. Let me open the door so you can see them better. There's one. Let's see. I can get through all the toys. There's more in the back there. Wait, oh God. Here. There we go. So they have a humongous aviary. And then we have, one second, let me close this door. Okay, and then we have Baby, Apple, and then we got Botten. Hi, Botten. Hi, Baby. Apple. Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. And then we have a whole group of cockatiels and parakeets. We got the parakeets, and it's hard to do it in here, and my cockatiels. And then, what do we have here? Oh, we got my cutie pies. We got my canaries. Hi, guys. I don't know where the rest of them are. There's more. Anyway, so those are my cutie pie canaries. And then we have more here, more cockatiels. We have more right here. And one of them laid an egg, so I have to get rid of that. We're not having babies. What are you doing? What are you going crazy for? Say hi. Yes, hi. Yes, hi. Hi. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.